Smart money doesn't chase hype. It watches the charts, waits for key signals, and strikes. Right now, 3 breakout setups are flashing: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a surprise comeback play from Polygon. But here's the twist. The retail crowd isn't watching these levels. They're distracted. Today, I'll show you what the big players already know and how you can front-run the next wave. Let's jump into the charts. Let's start with the king, Bitcoin. Zooming into the weekly chart, Bitcoin just closed above the falling wedge that's been suppressing price action for weeks. That wedge was your classic continuation pattern. And we've now broken out with strong volume, reclaiming the 0.618 Fibonacci level at $95,800. We're currently testing $97,000, but this is more than just a level. It's a liquidity gateway. Look at the visible range volume profile VRVP. Once we're above $98,000, there's barely any volume resistance until $109,000, the all-time high. Beyond that, you're staring at possible targets of $131,000 and even $166,000 at the 2.618 level. The super trend is green and bullish since January 2023. Heikin-Ashi RSI is curling up from mid-range, and this setup mirrors early 2020 vibes. And the news? Check this tweet by Vivek. Over $4 billion in Bitcoin shorts are set to be liquidated at $100,000. That's a literal fuel tank. Add to that the chart shared by the DeFi investor, Exchange Bitcoin deposits, just hit a 9-year low. Translation: sellers are exhausted. The supply side is drying up. Smart money sees this. Do you? Now Ethereum. If you've written Ethereum off lately, that might be a mistake. Ethereum just broke out of a steep descending channel that's been in place since the November top. The weekly candle shows early strength, and we're hovering near $1,800. But here's the alpha. This isn't just a technical bounce. It's backed by a historic network upgrade. Pectra is finalized. A series of tweets confirm it, from Beacon Chain, AIXBT, and Consensus. EIP 7702 allows smart contracts from regular wallets. Validator cap increased from 32 to 2,048 Ethereum. L2 scaling doubled. Gas fees down 30%. This is not just a fork. It's Ethereum becoming enterprise-grade, modular, and more DeFi-friendly. Now back to the chart. We're beneath major resistance at $2,030. But if we break that, momentum could send Ethereum toward the next golden pocket at $3,070, aligning perfectly with the 0.618 level. The super trend is still bearish, yes, but that's what makes this the accumulation zone smart money loves. Heikin-Ashi RSI is flipping bullish, and the VRVP shows a gap that Ethereum can slice through quickly if momentum builds. This is where the long game starts. And if you're here trying to navigate all this, staking, farming, finding narratives before they explode, that's exactly why I made the eBook DeFi Financial Freedom the ultimate beginner's guide. No fluff, just real strategies I use to generate crypto income without chasing pumps or risking it all. It's linked below in the top pinned comment, just $4.99. You'll make that back in one correct move. Now, let's talk about the altcoin that's been quietly rebuilding. Polygon's not dead. It's reloading. Here's why the new Pol token deserves a second look. On the 3-day chart, we've just seen a trendline breakout from a 5-month downtrend. Price is now pushing against the bearish super trend and trying to reclaim the 0.236 fib at 29 cents. That alone is notable. But what makes this setup powerful is the macro context. Peter the Rock shared data showing that Polygon handles 71% of all micro P2P transfers across EVM chains. That's insane. It also captured 68% of total transaction volume in April, outperforming Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Base. Add to that the post from Sandeep Nailwal. Polygon's AgLayer CDK now supports OP Stack with native ZK tech. That means devs can build modular chains faster, cheaper, all interoperable. This isn't a ghost chain. It's quietly becoming the Venmo layer of crypto. If Pol reclaims 38 cents, the next targets become 53 cents and 76 cents, with an ultimate breakout zone at $1.14. And the best part? Retail isn't watching it. Yet. Let's be clear, we're not guessing here. Bitcoin just cleared key resistance, backed by $4 billion in liquidation fuel. Ethereum activated its most powerful upgrade since the merge. Polygon is quietly dominating real usage and broke a brutal downtrend. If you want to know where smart money is focused, it's right here. If this video made you feel smarter and better prepared, then destroy the like button. It helps a lot. Got a different take? Drop it in the comments. I read and reply them all. And don't forget to subscribe. More high conviction plays are coming fast every day. My ebook is below if you want to go deeper into DeFi strategies, staking setups, yield farming, and passive income plays that actually work. Links in the top pinned comment, and there's a video linked on your screen that continues this momentum. Click it now. You won't regret it.